Ever recorded a video and thought, the content is good, but the audio isn't? Background noise, uneven volume, and then the pain of manually adding captions. What if I told you Filmora can turn a raw voice recording into a clean, captioned, publish-ready video in just a few steps with speech-to-text and AI audio tools? Before we begin, if you haven't already installed wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. Captions help your content to reach worldwide. It avoids language barriers. Also, data shows that up to 80% to 92% of users watch mobile videos with the sound off, making captions crucial for engagement. Adding captions can increase total views and improve SEO, as search engines index the text. Step 1. Import your raw voice clip. Start by importing your video or voice recording into Filmora. This could be a podcast clip, talking head video, reel, or short-form content. No special setup, just drop it onto the timeline. First, let's see the footage.
I'm in Singapore, and this is the best pedestrian crossing button in the world.
As you can see, this footage has no captions. Let's add one. Step 2. Convert speech to text automatically. Next, use Filmora's speech-to-text feature. Select the clip and right-click on it, then select Speech to Text, and the AI caption settings will open. If you want normal SRT, select Speech to Text, or if you want to translate audio in another language, select AI Translation. It will translate and generate captions together. Or if you want to generate dynamic captions, select the Dynamic Caption option. Let's generate SRT. Under STT, select Choose the file to convert. Select the current audio language, then select the SRT language you want to translate to. Select the language or leave it, and finally click on Generate, and in a few seconds, the text appears right on the timeline and stays aligned with your speech.
I'm in Singapore, and this is the best pedestrian crossing button in the world, and here's why.
Double-click on the caption, and you can quickly edit words, fix names, or style the captions for Reels, YouTube, or Shorts. Step 3. Clean and upgrade the audio with AI. Now comes the biggest upgrade, AI Audio Enhancement. This is where raw audio becomes professional. First, let's listen to the audio of this clip.
I'm in Singapore, and this is the best pedestrian crossing button in the world. And
as you can hear, this audio has lots of background noise. Let's fix it and remove all the noise from the background. I usually enable AI Denoise to clean background sounds. Then Voice Enhancement for clarity and presence. And finally, Auto Normalization so volume stays consistent. Now let's listen to the audio of this clip again.
I'm in Singapore, and this is the best pedestrian crossing button in the world. And here's why. This has been designed for accessibility. So if you're vision impaired...
Listen to the difference. All the background noise is gone now. And the best part? No plugins, no audio engineering knowledge. Just toggle, preview, and you're done. Clearer voice, balanced levels, and no harsh noise. Step 4. Final touches for publishing. Once the audio is clean and captions are ready, you're basically done. Add light music if needed, adjust caption style for your platform, and export. Whether it's a YouTube video, Instagram reel, or short-form clip, your content now sounds polished and looks professional. Going from raw voice to publish-ready video doesn't have to be complicated. With Filmora's speech-to-text and AI audio tools, the workflow stays fast and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.